Welcome to Dr. ACR Academy. Now we are going to discuss about weather, climate and adaptations of animal to climate part 2. This is from CBSE 7th class Science chapter 7. The earth has different climatic conditions with respect to temperature, water, wind and pressure. Animals living in these climatic conditions need to adjust themselves to get food, shelter to survive, so animals show various adaptations to survive in their living conditions. Adaptation is the presence of specific feature or certain habits which enables an organism to live naturally in a place. Here we will discuss the adaptations of animals living in the polar regions and the tropical rainforests. As the name suggests, the polar regions are situated near the poles, namely the North Pole and the South Pole. Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA and Siberian region of Russia are some of the countries that belong to the polar regions. On the other side, the tropical rainforests are found in Brazil, Nigeria, Congo, Kenya, Uganda, India, Malaysia and Indonesia. The pole regions is also called the Frigid Zone, including the Arctic Ocean in the north and Antarctic ice sheet in the south. These are dominated by snow, floating sea ice, and this region shows the extreme climatic conditions and makes life incredibly difficult here. The interesting feature is that Antarctic has 6 months of daylight in its summer and 6 months of darkness in its winter. Bitterly, the winter temperatures can reach deeply into the negatives as low as -37 degrees Celsius. The polar animals like polar bear and penguin shows many adaptations to survive in these conditions. Here you can see one penguin is pushing another penguin into the cold water. The polar bear are the largest bears in the world and the Arctic's top predators. They show many adaptations to survive in the polar regions. Polar bears have adapted many body characteristics for moving across snow, ice and open water, and for hunting seals. The last point makes up most of its diet. In addition, polar bears have white fur, which makes them invisible to predators and also help them to catch prey in the snowy white background. Two thick layers of fur and a layer of fat under the skin protects the bear from extremes of the cold. The adaptation includes moving slowly and resting often makes the animal to avoid getting overheated, and during warmer days it does physical activities and swimming for cooling its body. Polar bear is a great swimmer. Its wide and large paws help it to swim and also walk on snow, and it can survive for a long time without breath underwater. Polar bear has a strong sense of smell. It is able to detect seals nearly 1.6 kilometers away and buried underground under snow about 3 feet. As summary, the adaptations of polar bear are 2 layers to keep it warm in the cold weather. Fat under the skin insulate the body from cold and keeps it warm. Long curved sharp claws help it to walk on ice. Strong sense of smell which helps it to locate and catch prey. White fur which helps it to blend with the background, and predators and prey are unable to watch it.